Okay, you guys, and you will also need Bobo balloons. Okay, you can order these off of Amazon. Now, if you do not have a sealer, you can still create a balloon gift basket. There is another option that you can do. This is also a Bobo balloon, but with this particular one, it has a valve right here. This is where you pump the air. And it also have a wide neck where you can stuff any item of your choice into the balloon. So you can do your flowers, your stuffed animals, and you do not have to cut and seal this balloon. However, I'm not a fan of it. But I will keep it real with you. If you get the hang of working with the wide neck balloons, this process right here will go much, much quicker than the one that I am about to show you. And so, yeah, I just wanted to throw that out to you. So you do not need a sealer. You can work with a wide neck balloon and get the exact same effect, okay? Okay, and I want to throw out there to you, you want to work with a 24-inch Bobo balloon. Okay, so you guys, what you want to do is get your flowers ready to go inside your balloons. That simple. Just get your little bouquet of flowers together, and you want to cut them down to size. This length is a good length, if you can see. That's about 2.5, 3 inches. All right. Then you want to wrap it with tape, some type of tape, and you want, and in this case, I use floral tape. And you want to make sure that you cover up the bottom. You don't want nothing poking through and busting your balloon, okay? So make sure you get that real, real good. And another thing I want to throw out there to you, if you choose to use floral tape, be careful because it has a residue on there and it'll make the inside of your balloon nasty. You can't clean it because it's in. What is that? Okay. Take the neck balloon, just gonna fold it up a little bit like that. Can y'all see what I'm doing? And all we're gonna do is throw a little bit of tape on there. So that way the balls don't fall out. Okay, so now that we got our flowers inside, also our balls, I used the whole entire pack. We are going to go ahead and seal the edge of our balloon. Now, when we seal our balloon, we are going to cross our seals, and I'm going to try to show you what I am talking about. This step right here is very, very important because this right here will prevent the air from coming out of your balloon. A lot of people have issues with air coming out. This will help tremendously, okay? So when you seal your balloons, also you want to make sure that it is nice and smooth. You do not want any wrinkles. I'm going to try to show you what I'm talking about. Like, you don't want it to be wrinkled like that, okay? You want it to be nice and smooth. And you want to make sure you have plenty of room to seal, okay? So if you can see, oh, I'm sorry. See that? Nice and smooth, no wrinkles. All right, so we're going to do our first seal. See how there's a wrinkle? Smooth that out. Okay. Okay, so that's our first seal. Now, if you can see, that's the first one. That's the second one. You see how I overlapped that? That's what you want. That's the first seal. If you look, that's the second seal. Now we're going to do the third seal. Make sure there's no wrinkles. There you go. That's the third seal. See? Can you see it? It is overlapped. That's what you want. Okay, so I'm going to talk about this edge real quick because I think it's very important for you guys. Far as not having the air come out as well, you want the excess plastic to cut off. Do not try to do it so close to the edge, so because you want to make the seamless, have a seamless balloon. No, 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 because that way it makes it easier for the air to come out. You want it like this, okay? You want it like that. So all I'm going to do now is just cut off the excess plastic. Okay, the next step we're going to do is fill up our balloon. So we're just going to take off that tape. And we are just going to check to make sure there is no air coming out of the balloon. So if you listen to music while you work, I highly suggest that you turn it off so you can hear to make sure that no air come out. All right. And if there is air coming out, all you got to do is find where the air is coming out and just reseal it. That's it. Okay, so that's what we're just going to do right now is check for air. Boom, just like that. Now you hear the air come out. That's because of the bottom. So I'm going to close that up and I'm just going to listen. Check the balloon, check the balloon. They're all around your seal. See? Okay, we good, y'all. We good. long as possible. All right. And then I also didn't move my balloon around too much because I want the stem to stay where it's at. Remember, I told you I used the floral tape. So if you can see, I don't know if you can see. Well, let me show you up close. Hold up. Grab my stem. So yeah, I just grab my stem like that. If you look real closely, you can see all the nasty residue that's right here. But yeah, I wanted to show you that. So I could have actually went a little bit shorter on my stem, but we're gonna rock with it. So that's what if you can see, that's what we're gonna rock with. And when I get done, I will wipe off my balloon because it looked kind of dusty. Y'all see all the fingerprints and all that stuff. You can easily just clean it with a clean rag and you good. See that? All right. So now what you want to do is take a rubber band, if I can find one. There we go, one. Just y'all can't see what I'm doing. Okay, let me see. Move this out the way. Okay, so you want to take a rubber band, just a regular rubber band. I'm going to cut it. Okay, just like that. We're going to hold this in place and just wrap the rubber band around the neck of the balloon, holding your flowers in place, okay? That's all we're doing. We're going to wrap it around about 3-4 times. And then just tie a knot. Boom. There you go. That's all you got to do. I'm going to do 2 knots. See? 2 knots. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut off the excess rubber band. Like that. There you have it. You have your balloon all set and ready to go. Now you're going to take this part. Remember, I showed you the balloon sticks. Well, inside the balloon sticks, let me put this down. Okay, so inside the balloon sticks is this little piece right here. We're going to rock with this. And all we're going to do is attach this to the balloon. We're going to attach this to the balloon. Just all you got to do is stick. Now, if you stay tuned for part 3, I am going to show you how to attach the ribbon to give it that nice, elegant, professional look.